YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. We're going to take this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180. This is the original pressure side pool cleaner that they produced. For today's video, I want to go through how to change and remove your sweep hose here. This is going to be your tail sweep scrubber. So those are going to be a piece of equipment that needs to be changed often, typically 1 to 2 times a season. We've got them available in all different kinds of pack sizes, so you guys can check out all the links in the description below to check those out. You can buy the new upgraded Tail Sweep Pro as well, which helps reduce a lot of backsplash so that you don't actually have to mess around so much with the adjustment screws. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to remove this. If you guys want to see how we did anything else up to this point, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a playlist for you guys on doing all kinds of quick fixes for this, and we're going to have a ton coming in all the way into the cleaner. So, but for now, we're going to focus on the tail sweep, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove this. Again, this is just like a fine piece of cloth. It's not like a steel wool, it's actually softer. But the point of this thing is to, as this is whipping behind the cleaner, it is actually scrubbing the pool floor. So that's why they call it a tail sweep scrubber. So it helps keep the plastic and the rubber on the tail sweep safe, as well as helps scrub in between some harder to reach places that this orifice can't just get water to. So again, we've got a video out there for you guys on the Tail Sweep Pro. Highly recommend going in with that if you guys have a pressure cleaner, a Polaris pressure cleaner. So then that way you guys can get that working up nicely. But again, if you just want to stick with the original one, these come in all multiple packs. We've got tons of different options for you guys on these items. And again, they'll need to be replaced often. As you guys saw, just to replace it, to remove it, you're just pulling it straight off. And then again, to install a new one, you just got to kind of work it back and forth. And you essentially don't want to go too far on. You don't want to completely show the orifice here on the end of the tail sweep. You want it to kind of be a little indented in, just slightly flush, so then that way it'll actually butt up to the wear ring right here on the back of the tail sweep. But really simple, quick fix. Just want to show you guys how to swap that out. Be sure to hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're going to have a ton more videos coming your way on this cleaner and all the other cleaners out there. But until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.